कर्नाटक बीजेपी के कानून साज वेदाव्यास कामत और वाई भारत शेट्टी और दीगर 3 लोगों के खिलाफ FIR दर्ज की गई है। इन पर लोगों को भड़काने और दक्षिण कन्नड़ मंगलुरु में एक स्कूल के तलबा को जय श्री राम का नारा लगाने पर मजबूर करने का इल्ज़ाम है। सेंट जेरोसा इंग्लिश हायर प्राइमरी स्कूल की इंतजामिया का कहना है कि कामत ने उनसे वजाहत तलब किए बगैर स्कूल के सामने एहतजाज शुरू कर दिया और तलबा को जय श्री राम का नारा लगाने पर मजबूर किया। इस मामले में 2 कॉरपोरेटर्स संदीप गरोडी और भरत कुमार और बजरंग दल लीडर शरण पंपवेल के खिलाफ भी मुकदमा दर्ज किया गया है। मुजाहिरीन पर यह भी इल्ज़ाम है कि उन्होंने एहतजाज के दौरान ईसाईयत के खिलाफ नारे लगाकर ईसाई और हिंदू बिरादरियों के दरमियान दुश्मनी को हवा दी है। पुलिस का कहना है कि दक्षिण कन्नड़ में फ़िरक़ावाराना मसाइल की हिस्सासियत को देखते हुए मंगलुरु में इस तरह की कार्रवाइयों से अमन व अमान को मसला हो सकता है, लिहाजा इसके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई का मुतालबा करते हुए FIR दर्ज की गई है।
A false FIR had been registered against me and other MLA vedavyas Kamath, 2 corporators and one public person also who is not at all involved in all these things. See, what has happened is the teacher of that Jerusa college has made some derogatory statement about Bhagwan Sri Ram.
What did she make?
She, taking the class by the name Work is Worship, when she was taking that class, she has told that you guys, 7th standard students, she has told the students that you guys have raised a mosque and built a temple. Now you have kept a stone and decorated the stone. Just by decorating the stone, will the God come into that? Whether Rama will be there in that? One. Second thing, they have been telling that the kumkum, the bindi you are wearing, it is just powder. Why are you wearing that? All those things. And she has gone ahead and also told that Modi ji has killed so many Muslims in Godhra train, and 11 Hindus have raped one Muslim girl in those lines to a 7th standard kids. This is the complaint by the students. The students and the parents have come out in the open and they have complained. When they have complained, I have gone with the students to the Zilla Panchayat office where the DDPI office is there. We have complained to the DDPI and told him that investigation should be done at a neutral place, not in the school. The students, parents and the teachers should be called to a neutral place and do an investigation over there. The investigation was started. See, 2 things has happened here. 3 things have happened here. One is the DDPI, when the investigation is going on, the DDPI has been transferred. He is not in his position. In between the investigation, he has been transferred. Second thing, the parents and the students and the public, they have given different complaints to the nearby police station regarding the conversion attempt by all these people. The conversion attempt. The FIR has not been registered. The FIR has been registered against the MLAs. Against Vedavyas Kamath is number 1 accused. Dr. Bharat Shetty, I am number 2 accused, and there are 6 more people like that. Now, the interesting point is, I was not even in the spot. I gave the complaint at the DDPI office. I have a boarding pass with me, I have the tickets, I have the travelling proof, I have come to Bangalore. I have to attend the assembly. I got late because the flight also landed little late, but I travelled. I was not in the Jerusa school, I have not gone to the school. Me and one more person, Sharan Pumpwell, have not gone near the school also. So, the people who said Jai Shri Ram, they have put cases. People who have made derogatory remarks on Shri Ram, they have not been booked. Not a single case has been filed.
Some of the Congress leaders are hinting, they even did a fact-finding committee had gone to the school. They, however, suggest that nothing of this sort which went viral through multiple audios was true.
See, the management has taken a U-turn. Why did the management suspend that teacher then? They have suspended the teacher. A written suspension order was given. All the students are telling that the investigation is going on. You hamper the investigation by transferring the person who is doing the investigation itself, and you put a case on MLAs who are not even in the spot. So what is the intention then? You don't have the gall to put a case on the teacher who is spreading hatred among children. But you have the gall to put a case on a elected representative who was not even in the spot. This is why I have taken up the matter in the 0 hour. I have placed it before the government They have to give an explanation by evening. The Home Minister and the Education Minister, whoever is concerned, they will give an explanation. We will have a debate about this again. See, this is the third time, third MLA who is getting an FIR in our district. Harish Punja was the first person. They tried to stifle our voice. They are trying to curb our voice. Whatever is happening against the Hindus, if you raise a voice, the present dispensation, the present government is trying to kill our voice.
But the government statement says, sir, if I am not wrong, they are saying FIR has been filed for the statements which you gave in front of the school.
Have a FIR copy. You have access to the FIR.
Is raised.
No.
Jai Shri Ram.
You listen to me now. You have the FIR, access to the FIR copy. Read it once. I was not even in the spot. The FIR copy is not even. And I have given a statement. I'll re-give the statement again. Any school which has anti-Hindu mindset, Hindus should refrain or rethink about sending their children to such schools. I didn't say all the schools. Any schools which has an anti-Hindu mindset. Why we should send the students, our children there, where they will get brainwashed into thinking that their religion, their belief is all third class or something in those lines? That is not fair.